And Delta 295 Heavy, taxi with Romeo.
Delta 295 Heavy, Atlanta ground, runway 8 right, taxi, Golf, short of Foxtrot.
Taxi via Golf, short of Foxtrot, Delta 895, or 295.
Delta 295 Heavy, continue, yes, left turn on Foxtrot, hold short of ramp 5.
All right, make a left on Foxtrot, short of ramp 5, Delta 295, thank you.
Delta 295 Heavy at ramp 5, give way to that opposite direction 717 inbound, and then join Echo.
Okay, give way to the Boeing 717 and then join Echo in front of Frontier, Delta 295.
Endeavor 5526 Atlanta ground, runway 8 right, taxi via Echo.
8 right, Echo, Endeavor 5526.
Delta 295 Heavy at Fox 3, follow the RJ joining Echo, monitor tower 119.1.
All right, at Fox 3,
Mike, uniform leaving ramp 1, Delta 1261.
Monitor 19.3, Delta 295, thank you.
Endeavor 5526, this heavy Airbus will wait for you, monitor tower 119.1.
921, Endeavor 5526.
Ground Delta 295.
Delta 295 Heavy, go ahead.
Now, we're going to need to stop somewhere. If we stop here just short of Fox 3 and work out a problem,
Yes, sir, 22, taxi.
Hey, Delta 295 Heavy, negative. Come back to my frequency now. Stay with me, and I'm going to take you, just continue on Echo as able. You can hold short of Victor and work out your problem there.
Okay, we're going to stay with you, and we're going to continue hold short of Victor, Delta 295.
Endeavor 5526 on a tower, my 8 right, line up late. Delta 2227, line of Terry, following a 737 on a 1 mile final, runway 8 left to land, wind 0704. You know, I just noticed that the tail on the RJ is missing, so Endeavor 5526, hold your position, and do you require any immediate assistance? Endeavor 5526, we'll get all that working right now.
Delta 295 Heavy, hold short of Victor. Advise me when you're ready.
All right, we just hit something on the taxiway. Could you tell us what it was? Ground Delta 295.
The whole tail of that CRJ's off. Yeah, we got the CRJ-900 with its tail off here off of Foxtrot 2.
Ground, you copy 295.
Delta 295, hold short of Victor. It does appear that you struck the RJ that's holding short of 8 right.
Okay, that's what we hit then. Yeah, we were on center line. Instructions were Echo short of Victor. We're holding short of Victor, and understand. Thank you. What did they hit?
6, are you on frequency? Alright, there's been an incident there at Hotel and Echo, short of 8 right on the south side there with the RJ, and most likely that heavy. Well, there's no assistance required as far as emergency goes, but we may want to do a quick just sweep of the approach end of the runway there to make sure that we can still use that portion of the runway. 5526, Roger. We're going to go ahead and have the emergency vehicles come out and check you guys out. There's an operations vehicle behind you there. They'll check out the taxiways, and if you need anything else, just let me know. Ground Delta 1248. We're at 2 north. Ready taxi with Romeo.
Delta 1248, standby.
Is it going to be a while here for Delta 531?
Delta 531, it's going to be a minute. We've had an incident on taxiway Echo. I don't think we're going to be taxiing 8 right anymore.
I figured as much.
Atlanta ground from R8.
Right on Lima.
Atlanta ground from R8. I'm trying to get the frequency for the alert 3 at taxiway Echo and Hotel.
And calling at Atlanta ground, I can't hear you. All I hear is a siren.
Okay, Atlanta ground, this is R8. Sorry about that. Trying to get the frequency for the alert 3 at Echo and Hotel.
And Orange 3, you're on the correct frequency. The alert 3 is on taxiway Echo at the intersection of Hotel and Echo.
R4 Atlanta ground.
R4 Atlanta ground.
Show us out with the aircraft in question. You have a call sign and a discrete frequency we can talk to the pilot.
R4, go to 121.65.
Copy, 12165.
And for WestJet 8902, go to 121.65.
121.65, WestJet 8902. Ground from Op 6.
Op 6, go ahead.
Ground Op 6, are you talking to the A350 by chance?
Which one are you asking about?
The heavy A350 on Echo just to the west of Taxiway Hotel.
Yes, Delta 295 is on this frequency.
Could you ask Delta 295 to cut their engines for us, please, for Op 6?
Delta 295, can you cut your engines? Delta 295 heavy Atlanta ground.
Yeah, it'll be just a second. We got to start up the APU, and we'll shut the engines. We'll let you know when we're shut down. Do you have a discrete frequency we can talk directly to them?
Delta 295 heavy, go to 121.65.
All right, 2165.
Op 6, go to 121.65.
2165 for Op 6.
And ground, I know you got a lot going on. Delta 2901 at 1 north. Are we still planning the north side?
Delta 2901, and for all aircraft at these north ramps, you can expect to depart runway 8 right. It's going to be a little different taxi. I'll have you moving in just a moment, but expect to depart 8 right.
Thank you.